Thursday, 21 September 2017, 0650 SABC About 50 cases of bird flu have been reported at commercial chicken and ostrich farms. Reuters tags an estimated 2 million egg-laying chickens have been culled since the outbreak of avian influenza in South Africa about 3 months ago. This has emerged out of SA Society for Animal Science conference in Port Elizabeth, where the impact of the bird flu on the poultry industry was discussed. About 50 cases have been reported at commercial chicken and ostrich farms, while wild birds and backyard chicken farmers have also been affected. Dr. Charlotte Nkuna from the South African Poultry Association has downplayed some common fears about bird flu. She says, "One of the things that we really keep stressing is the fact that the disease has not affected humans. There are no human cases reported globally. Also that the products, meat and eggs, are still fit for human consumption." She says what is concerning is that the more the chickens get affected, the more we may start seeing an impact on supply, and that is something that is being watched closely to make sure that measures are in place to plug the gap.